Hi everyone, my name is Alma and I am with the Transformational Leadership Institute. Today I want to talk about restore. Restoration, basically for me, it means to restart over again. It's when you want to take things from the beginning again and you want to start over. You want to have a new beginning, a better beginning, so you can have better results. Restart something that already happened, a situation, maybe a conflict. You want to fix something that happened, and by doing so, you think that restoring that specifically thing will fix everything. Well, that's not always the case though. There are things that you can't really restore, you can't really fix because they already happened. However, you can look forward by doing something different, recreating what happened in a different way. Because what happened, it already happened. You can't go back to it and say, oh, I want to erase this because this is not what I like, this is not what I want. No, you can't do that. You have to start things in a different way. And by restarting things in a different way, you have to look at things in a different way, in a different picture. I mean, you could fix things, take action and start over. I mean, there is always a second option for anything. Just don't focus on the problem, focus on the solution. Don't focus on your little square in your mind. Get out of your box and think differently. So I encourage you to focus on solutions. Don't focus on the problem and stay positive. When you stay positive, things stay positive. Because of course, problems is a negative side. So don't stay on the negative side, stay on the positive side. My name is Alma and I am with the Transformational Leadership Institute, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.